welcome to English Wise. This is Mehak and I hope you have watched all our course videos. It's time for a plan now. Yes, a study plan. The next thing we are going to do is study plan. After watching all the videos, course is done. Now it's practice time. You have to make sure what you are supposed to do. Follow this study plan and you will be getting your desired score in this. The very first week, day 1 to day 3, what you are supposed to do. Day 1 to day 3, you have to make sure you fix your approaches for all the section. In this, I have explained this thing before as well. When you are doing your day 1, you should know what trick you have to follow, what template you have to follow, what approach will work. If you don't have your concepts clear, you are not going to get your desired score. So make sure you know what is to be done in speaking, listening, writing and reading. You know all the strategies. Follow one thing, please. Don't switch to alternative things. Don't do other things. If you are following a thing, please work on that only. Do not try to change the things. If you do so, everything will be messed up. You will be confused and no desired score. So make sure you work and you fix your approaches for all the section. Follow whatsoever thing you are following. I'm not saying to follow these fixed thing. Follow whatsoever thing you are following, but make sure you only stick to that. So fix approach. Second, unlearn and relearn all the things. Whatsoever things are going on, you know PT has been updating all the things and changed so many things. So if you are following the old templates, the things which are not working anymore, I have made a video on that. Make sure you watch and I am sharing the link as well. So make sure you just unlearn all the things which are not working and relearn them. Follow the new tips and tricks, new templates that can actually help you to get your score. Another thing, you have to make sure that you are focusing more focus towards the important modules. Your focus is more towards, and what are the important modules? Read aloud, repeat sentences, essay, reading, writing, filling the blanks, reading blanks, listening, filling the blanks, highlight incorrect words and write from dictation. So make sure you work on all these modules if you want to get your desired score. Don't practice the unnecessary things like MCQs because they don't have much points. So practice these important sections if you want to get your desired score. Day 4 to day 7, what you are supposed to do. Now the thing is, you have to practice 5 read alouds a day, 20 minutes practice for your repeat sentences, 5 to 8 reading, writing, filling the blanks, 5 reading the blanks, 10 listening, filling the blanks, 5 highlight incorrect words, 10 to 12 write from dictations and 1 essay. This all you can do in approx 2.5 hours. So practice this from day 4 to day 7. Please focus on these sections, will definitely help you. Now come to week 2. What you are supposed to do? 4 mocks on the portal. Sectional plus full mocks. English Wise portal, make sure you sign up in there. We are going to give you 4 free sectional tests and 1 full mock test. Yes, you can use that. That's for free trial, you know. You can use 4 sectional tests and 1 full mock as well. So give those tests. Check your score in there. Get feedback from the tutor if you are using XYZ portal, whatsoever you are using. Don't forget to get teachers' feedback, which is very, very important. And if you need feedback from our side, make sure you comment down or you can email us on the email ID given. We will definitely help you and provide you the feedback. Another thing, before going to the actual PTE test, make sure you go for Pearson mock test. Pearson provides you sample test, buy those and practice them and evaluate yourself. Then also you will come to know what is exact thing going on. And again a big thing, don't forget to get your tutor feedback. You will definitely get your desired score if you follow this plan. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to give you all the updates, new tips and tricks that can actually help you to get your desired score. Don't forget, we are there to help you. We are happy to help you. Thank you so much everyone. We'll see you in the next video.